How much time does your team spend on manual onboarding, adding stuff to the CRM, sending emails, and nudging the CSM? And now, imagine all of that happens automatically in just a couple of clicks. Welcome to the world of Zapier, where boring tasks disappear and your customers are happy from day one. Today, I'm going to show you 3 levels of automation: Noob, Pro, and Expert. Step 1 is all about setting up some basic automation so you don't drown in endless Excel sheets. How does it work? When a client fills out a registration form on your website, their information, name, email, company, and the plan automatically gets sent to your CRM. You don't even have to lift a finger. Next, the client instantly gets a welcome email. No more, "Oops, I forgot to send that email." Zapier handles it all for you. After the client is added to the CRM, the team gets a Slack notification right away. This beginner-level automation makes your new clients feel cared for without you having to overthink it. Alright, if you're outgrown basic emails and wanted to step up your game with a more personalized customer interactions, it's time to level up. Make your clients feel like everything tailor-made just for them. Start by grouping them into categories like enterprise, small businesses, and freelancers. With Zapier, you can automatically sort clients based on their registration form data and send each group exactly the information they need. And instead of one generic email, you are building a thoughtful, personalized journey. Enterprise clients, they will get detail on advanced features and personal support. CMBs, ready-to-use solutions and case studies. Freelancers, simplicity and flexibility. And this is not just automation, it's a hand-holding experience. Clients feel like you are there with them every step on the way. Next level, automation inside your product. When a new user signs up, they immediately get a personalized setup with a tailored navigation and templates for their industry and goals. In Zapier, you can set up logic to automatically load the right templates. For example, if industry and marketing, a webhook loads a marketing-specific template. And if role is manager, a webhook sets up task management templates. Stay on top of user activity. For example, a client registers but doesn't log in for 3 days, or they log in but don't complete the setup of a key feature. With Zapier, you can create triggers that send notification to your team in Slack or email like, "Hey, an enterprise client is stuck in the setup process. It's time to help him." And now, let's talk about enterprise-level automation where giants like Salesforce play. This is a stage where automation does everything for you: personalization, deep behavioral analytics, and more. The goal? Make your product feel like it's designed just for each client while saving your team a ton of time on manual tasks. Create a unique onboarding experience. For example, if the client is a marketing manager, they automatically get guides on analytics and features focused on metrics and ROI. If they're in IT, they get API documentation to integrate your product seamlessly into their system. This approach instantly highlights the value of your product for them, not just in general. Then build an interactive onboarding flow. When users log into your product, they are guided with an in-app prompts like "Create your first task, click here." This can be done with the tools like WalkMe or Chameleon. Most users feel lost when they staring at an empty interface. Interactive guides help them quickly understand how to get started. You can track key milestones using tools like Mixpanel or Amplitude. Did they create a project, add their team, upload files? And if not, the system sends them a reminder or flags it for your team to follow up. Take it even further with AI. If a client becomes inactive, AI can predict churn and suggest actions like sending them a special offer or giving them a call. And each week you will get reports on who is stuck, who is happy, and who is ready to upgrade. These insights let your team act proactively instead of reacting to problems after they have happened. So, if you are tired of doing everything manually, remember these 3 words: automation with Zapier. Start small and scale up as your business grows. See you!